In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Buildertrend with QuickBooks Online. This is a quick process, and once you know where to look, it's very straightforward. If you use QuickBooks Online to manage your accounting and Buildertrend to help run projects and operations, connecting the two can help keep your workflow more organized and efficient. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside QuickBooks Online and what to expect during the connection process. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Integrations option. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Explore Integrations. This will take you to the section where QuickBooks Online lists available apps and services that can connect with your account. After the Integrations page opens, use the search feature to look for Buildertrend. Typing the name directly into the search bar should help you find it quickly. When Buildertrend appears in the results, select it to open its integration page. This page gives you a closer look at the connection and is where you'll begin linking the two platforms. Next, look at the top right of the Buildertrend integration page and click Get Integration. This starts the connection process between QuickBooks Online and Buildertrend. From here, simply follow the prompts provided on screen. Depending on your account setup, you may be asked to review permissions, confirm access, or sign in to complete the link. Take your time reading each screen so you understand what data is being shared and how the integration will work. As you go through the setup, it's a good idea to make sure you're signed into the correct QuickBooks Online company and the correct Buildertrend account before approving anything. That can help you avoid connecting the wrong business profile by mistake. If you manage multiple accounts, double-checking at this stage can save time later. Once you finish the guided setup, the integration should be connected and ready to use. At that point, you can move on to any syncing or configuration options that Buildertrend or QuickBooks Online may present after the connection is established. And that's it. That's how to integrate Buildertrend with QuickBooks Online.